Okay. It is 4/18/26. This is the second video. We are going to go around and find some spice and stack up here. So let's see what we can get. Start my old timer here. Okay. Let's roll. I want to do the outskirts a little. Okay, I heard something. Guy's close by, man. He's coming. So it should be 6:30 again. I don't think that they fluctuate. I think a circle is a circle, and I don't think you get more sand out of it or anything like that. At least that's my understanding. Little bits out here. See that guy jumping around, but I should probably stick to what I'm doing here. Okay, where's the worm? The worm should be popping up. Alright, any other big ones? Let's go, let's go. Alright, how much did we get? We got like 620 of it. I didn't see what it said there for the back. 620? 633. Interesting. So more than the other one. Well, now we definitely have to make sure we get all of it, because I wanna know what the top number is, man. Is it 640 then? Okay. There should be like one or two little spots here. I thought I saw like another spot I could try to get it. Oh, that guy's still running around. And that is it, right? Nope. Is there one right in front of me? Right in front of me, there's a spot. Okay. Because what are we at now? 6:30. It is going to be 6:40. I want that last time. We might move along. Is this guy turning? Okay, I saw one little spot right here, right? Nothing? Optical illusion? You can see it, right? Am I crazy? It literally says harvest spice sand. Oh, maybe there was just one left. Okay. Maybe that makes sense. We don't need to come back every one. Okay. There's some spice. Where else is spice? Let's fly around a little. See if we can't find some. There. The other test would be like how much you can get in the least number of blasts. Did someone farm some of this? Weird. It's weird that they farm some of it left. Okay, let's do like one here. One here. Let's spread it out a little. Maybe one in the center. And let's see what that gets us. $307. Nice. Get like 80 per time. That's pretty good. So I mean, that's not all of it, but that's a, you know, if you had a time crunch, or really if there was someone else challenging and trying to get it at the same time. Cool. Okay, so that's one spot. We'll finish that up. Any others? We just came from back there. Is there any others? Oh, right there. Wow. Yeah. See, this ain't that bad, man. Maybe I should get a spice maker. I'm thinking about it. I need 1,000 spice, so that's a huge investment. Basically, it costs 12 million at the trader for every 100. So 10 times 12, it costs 120 million. But if I could turn this into spice, I'm not sure. If it was 10 to 1, it'd be worth it. I think it's 30 to 1. I need to figure that part out. What does the biggest, I should say, spice refinery actually kick out? It'd be pretty cool to have it, though. Just, I mean, some of these MK6 things, if I don't have them, I should just have them. I mean, what's the point? A lot of times I just grind and farm, and like I'm saving up, but for what, man? This is what I should be saving up for. Yeah, what's going on? Someone is just farming one little spot or something. How much did we get? We got 510. Okay, interesting. Why are they farming the one spot? Look at that, though. 2,500. That's a big deal, man. That times, okay. So 2,500, add 3 zeros to it. That's significant, man. Alright, what is covering here? Big ship. Okay, where is my ship? Okay. Mental note. Now, someone said if you get in your ship before, the spine snapper guy was giving advice, and he said if you get in before the trigger, like before the worm gives you the warning, then it resets the clock. And if I can just do that, it might be the secret to speeding it up just a smidge and to just never even worrying about the worm. But we'll see. And then I'm going to take off again. We'll see if this really works. Because he said something like if you do less than a... Oh, there's the number. Okay, never mind. Alright, so there's something to it. Maybe I pushed it just a smidge too far. Alright, so we got this circle. Where's our next circle? While we're looking. I don't know how many circles there are at any given active time, but we have got, what, 4 of them? I mean, this is 4 if you count the one that we got in the last video next to the white sand flower base, whatever. The other thing is I need to make sure to keep this repaired. This is a unique schematic, the compact compactor. And my understanding is if I repair it when it is at 95%, I think I can keep it at 99. Because it got down to 93. I repaired it up to, from 93 to 99. So we might take a little peek at that. Alright, now how do we do? Let me do that. Let me repair it. Let's do that experiment as well. Alright, we're on the other side, aren't we? Okay, as I coast to my base. Is there any other circles so we can just jump right in? This is kind of cool. This is what a lot of people should do. Is just farm it the old-fashioned way. Get used to take an MK4, like your old helicopter, let's say, strip down so you don't have any armor, you have nothing on except for basically the compactor, right? That's it. Maybe some water and the compactor. Am I not even at the right place? This is not my base. I don't even know where I am. Yep. Exactly. That's just sad. Okay, let's see what, because I farmed 3, like 2.5 circles, because 2 of them had like 100 out of them, so like 2.6. So I farmed the equivalent of, let's see, I think I had 1,200 to start. So this minus 1,200. So let's see what damage that does to my little dealio. Here's the old base, just pumping. You like shield walls? Okay, let's see here. That dirt mound looks different. Did that mound look the exact same? Let's make sure this guy's charged up. Every once in a while I forget about it. Last time I checked it, it said like 6 days. Look at it, 10 days. Just neglecting it. I just don't want it to be where it says like 5 days, then I go to recharge it and it doesn't recharge. That's what I do. But surprisingly, energy lasts forever. As far as like how easy it is to farm with the buggy cut array. Easy peasy. Okay, here we go. Let's take a peek. Yeah, where are we at after farming like 1,500 spice or something, roughly? This is an example. I don't have the schematic for this, and it is at 70. And I don't have, yeah, like I just bought the boots at town. Luckily a long time ago, right before prices went up. Okay, the compact compactor is at 96. And I need, what, 2 spice and 1 infused? Okay, hang on. I've been stashing that away. So, actually, I can pluck it from here. I need 2 spice. Or, hang on, let me do it like this. Throw those guys back in. Then go to backpack. That should be what I need. Let's see if we can keep it at 99. Alright, so it used 3. It used 3. So for one circle, roughly 1 to 1.5. What does plus 4 mean? Plus 26. I don't know what that means. That means that's... I wonder what that means. This means I can get it to... Don't use your spice yet. Hang on. Plus 3 means I can get to 99. Cool. And plus 4 is implying... What is that implying? That I can actually fix it more? That's a weird one. It's rounding. What did I need? 2 spice for that guy? Alright, 2 spice. Why am I being so picky with this spice? I've got like 500 sitting here. That's not the one. I just don't want to accidentally put it in the chest. It gets sucked up and used for something when it's a crucial repair item. Alright, so it says plus 4 in the top right corner there. I don't know what that means. Some rounding. Probably rounding. Anything else really need to be Buddy Boyd? Okay. We're good. Alright, I feel happy about that. I do need to make sure I fix it up. I did get 2 schematics for the compactor because I figured it's going to be a game changer. And let's say every shot is 15% more. That's ultimately in real time making 15% more Solari or whatever that much faster or larger amount for the same effort. Look at all this spice everywhere. This is... I don't know that if I just didn't notice this... Oop, I'm getting full. Hang on. I'm not going to not pick all that up. Especially when I'm right next to the base. Let's empty out a little. Yeah, that's crazy. That's a lot of spice, man. Okay, let's just empty this guy. We'll get that last little pile. We'll call that a video. Now, what I want to do... I want some room here. What I want to do... I want to keep it up towards the top, because this is where I would grab stuff to go sell it, or... I want to keep it right here if I can. Here's a way to do it. Let's put this stuff out. Put what I want at the top in. Maybe even this stuff. And then throw the rest in. Okay, look at that. Ah, that's a lot of money potentially sitting there. Okay, I'm emptied out. Everything's cleared. I got a little spice for no reason. This big heavy thing for no reason. Don't need that. I'm not going to haul this. Or where's the poker? Is it on me? Where's the bloodsucker? Am I blind and it's right in front of me? Where is it? I don't see it. I don't even have the blood pumper. Do I? I just have the bag. Alright. I probably just got rid of it because it was probably like I was using like an MK1, right? Is it right in front of me? No. Alrighty then. Cute. Think we're good. Okay, let's go get that spice pile. Super good. Yeah, I didn't even realize that it shows you next to it what it can fix. Alright, where was it? It was right over here. Right? Right there. I was gonna say. Yeah, they're all over. I can't believe how much spice is just around. There's one right here. There's just tons. This one looks like a full one. Coming in. Let's get under the ship first. Okay, I'm gonna count that as the worm saying get out of here. Hello, Mr. Worm. Nice to see you today. That's how he waves, is with his big fire mouth. He's like, I'm not gonna eat you. Alright, there he goes. High altitude warning. Yep, I'm real worried about fuel. How many things do I have? Like 5 of them? Real worried. Okay, here we go. Alright, we got a lot of it. Okay, good. Great. Alright, let's pick it up before we start shooting the ground more. Bam. Bam, look at that. That's good. Oh, there's a storm coming. There is a worm that is close by, making me nervous. I don't know, though, if he just goes by. I think one time I had the worm go right under me, and it just is passing by. So I am pretty darn confident that you will get a warning. Where's this guy? Oh, there's his warning. He's right there. Alright, see, I should have just maybe shot 3, picked them up. I should have been a little more careful, because there's no reason to lose any of this. And the timing is a little tight. I think they just start disappearing pretty darn quick. Is that it? I mean, that's it, right? This thing works great. See, there's a little trim on the outside, but I don't know. Let's look at our total number. Okay, 6 something. Okay, 620 makes me feel like it's worth getting 10 more. If it was like 630 already, then I'd be like, oh, is it 3 here? Did I just miss this one little edge, or what happened? Yep, 1 edge. Right? What's the little flicker right? Just saying their stuff. 630 again? 634. So there is a mild fluctuation. I'm guessing 640 is the full potential, and there's something about the way I'm farming it that maybe isn't the most efficient. Maybe 650. If there was like a true super art to it. Okay, we pretty much got all around here. So let's just like head in this direction. Because I think we got a few over here, but I feel like this was the spot we were headed to. Let's go this way. Now, when it says increased fuel consumption, if you're gliding, don't worry about it. So, it's not just that I have. Alright, there's going to be someone on that edge there that we're flying right past. I'm sure there's one over there. Unless we just got one from there. Okay, let's look. Because for how many there were, I know we just got a few from around here, but for how many there were, just maybe try to see one right in front of me. Okay, let's go get it. You know there's one over here. It's kind of on the edge of radiation, but let's see. Low fuel. Okay, there's gonna be one right here. Oh, there's a flower. Maybe not. I think we did just get one right around over here, didn't we? Okay, it makes sense. I mean, we got like 5 of them. How many is there going to be? They're just everywhere? It makes sense that it should be a little harder here. Okay. Oh, is there one right there? After I said that? After I said, like, there for sure is one here. No. Okay, well, that's probably the spice farm, for now, at least. energy. There's a worm pumping towards us. Okay, let's take another peekaroonie. We kind of looked all around here. I guess we did good. No, we did good getting all that spice out of there. Okay, I think I'm going to call that it for right now. We're going to call that the next video.